Today, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Lucidchart. Whether you're creating flowcharts, diagrams, or visual presentations, knowing how to add and customize text is essential for clear communication and professional-looking documents. First, open your web browser and navigate to lucidchart.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Lucidchart workspace where all your documents are stored. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the Recent Documents section, which displays all the files you've been working on recently. Browse through and select the document where you want to add text, then click Open to launch it in the editor. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, you can create a new document by clicking the Create button. This gives you a blank canvas to work with. Now that your document is open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all the tools and elements you can add to your diagram. Click on the Text button. Once you click it, a text field will appear on your canvas. Go ahead and enter the text you want to display. This could be a label, title, description, or any information you need to communicate in your diagram. With your text entered, it's time to customize its appearance. Look at the upper left panel where you'll see various formatting options. Click on the drop-down menu to select your preferred font style. Lucidchart offers a range of fonts, so choose one that matches the tone and style of your project. Right next to the font drop-down, you'll find another drop-down for text size. Click on it and adjust the size to ensure your text is clearly visible and proportionate to your diagram. You can also customize the font color to make your text stand out or match your design scheme. Click on the A button in the formatting panel. This will open a color picker where you can select your preferred color. Choose a color that provides good contrast against your background for optimal readability. Finally, once your text looks exactly how you want it, simply drag the text box to your preferred destination on the canvas. Position it wherever it makes the most sense within your diagram, whether that's labeling a shape, adding a title, or providing additional context. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized text in Lucidchart, making your diagram clearer and more informative. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.